Cats are one of the most popular companion animals in the world. Cats come with their own set of personality traits that can help owners learn more about themselves. For example, cats are independent animals that don't require a lot of attention, which can be great for people who are always on the go. Additionally, owning a cat can help reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. Chocolate cookies are the perfect treat for any occasion. Whether you're looking for a delicious snack to munch on or something special to share with friends and family, chocolate cookies are sure to hit the spot. They're perfect for a quick snack or an easy dessert. And best of all, they're really easy to make. Cherry blossoms are one of the quintessential symbols of spring. Their delicate beauty is a sight to behold, and their sweet fragrance is a delight to smell. They remind us that life is precious and should be enjoyed to the fullest. They remind us that even though life can be difficult at times, it is still worth living. They remind us to cherish every moment we have, because they may be gone before we know it.